What's going on, goats? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna be prepping my BMW M3 for the V2 look. So I know you guys are gonna be wondering, what is a V2? So basically the V2 look of the car is gonna be a brand new overall. So right now, the way I'm prepping, I have to remove everything off the car. The lip is already gone from the last video you guys saw, but I gotta remove the side skirts, the diffuser, and I also gotta remove the wheels, because all of that is gonna change. So I'm getting new side skirts, new lips, new diffuser, and the wheels are gonna be the same but just a different color. The reason why I'm doing a V2 look, because I feel like it's time. It's a new season, new time, and I want to get it ready for next season, which is going to be next year. It's currently November and it's cold as shit outside. It's right now, it's 25 degrees outside right now. It's cold, like bad. So I'm going to go ahead and take the wheels off, get everything prepped up, and this car is going to be revealed at the Philly Auto Show in January. So if you guys are going to be there, check out the vehicle. I'm gonna let you guys know what booth and everything is closer towards the date, but that's where I'm gonna be revealing the car. Alright, so I finished taking the wheels off. The next thing I gotta do is take some stuff out the engine bay. Now I know you guys are gonna be wondering, why the hell am I taking things out the engine bay? But it's gonna be a surprise. I'm gonna let you guys wait for that, and I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna like it, trust me. But let's go ahead, get these things out the engine bay so that I could take it down to Philly Customs so everything could get done. Wheels is packed up. Now I gotta take the accessories off. Another thing that I really gotta do is take the side skirts off, but I don't need to do that right now because nothing is being done to them. I'm just taking them off the car. So I don't think I'm gonna do that today because I also don't wanna go back on the ground, and it's also cold as shit outside. So I'm gonna hold off on that. Let's get everything out the engine bay though. Alright, so some time has definitely passed. I went in, took a shower, and now we're about to be on our way down to Philly Customs. Alright, so as you guys can see, the back of the car is loaded up and ready to go. I'm currently in the daily, you know, we're not in the M, and the M can't really drive because I took everything off, as you guys can see earlier. I did put some gloves over the open holes, like my intake and stuff like that, just to make sure that nothing falls down into the holes. And I also put the screws back so that I don't forget none of the screws whenever it's time to put everything back on. I am gonna be, I think it's called hydro dipping. It's a new area for me. I'm gonna be hydro dipping the plastic pieces in the engine bay just to make the engine bay look a little better. And then also, I wanna bring the car back to stock. That's why I took the wheels off and stuff like that, because I I have other pieces that's going onto the car, such as side skirts, lips, and diffusers, like I told you guys earlier. So I'm getting a whole new aero kit, basically. The wheels are coming with me as well because they're getting powder coated a new color, like I said earlier. That new color, I hope it's as sick as this color, because this color really didn't last that long, but it was freaking amazing. Everybody that saw the wheels and realized what the wheels, like what the color of the wheels were, they loved it. So I'm kind of sad to see these colors go, but it's time for something new, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna catch you guys back when I get over to Philly Customs. They're literally like 5 minutes away, so it's not gonna be that long. So we just pulled up to Philly Customs, which is right here. I don't know if somebody's coming out, but I'm gonna back in. This thing actually looks really nice.
Yeah, I can fix that.
Look how bad that John is.
Oh, it's bad.
And then for those who haven't seen the color of the wheels, you take a look at it right here. What you think, Alex? They bad?
The crack's re-cracking.
You said the crack is re-cracking?
Yeah, look.
Holy shit.
Re-cracked.
So with that, what would we do?
Just re-weld it, fix it the right way.
Okay.
Yeah. Both.
What the fuck?
Both's re-cracking. Look, it's splitting on the side now. This is the weld. Look, it's split.
Alright, so that's everything. We got the engine cover, the cowl, the other side, left, right side, and then the intake boxes up top. And then we're gonna take the mat sensors out too. Alright, so basically this is the hydro dip. So if y'all can see this is an engine cover for a Lexus, and they got the graphics on top of it, which is what mine is gonna look like essentially. I'm not gonna tell you guys the design that we're doing, but this is basically what hydro dipping is. And if I take you guys, yeah, that's sexy. I'm gonna take y'all outside and show y'all. On the wall, there's a bunch of designs. Literally. He even got carbon fiber. So definitely this is the goal, what we're gonna do, and that's why the parts is being dropped off. So like I said, it's a new avenue for me, something new that I'm trying. I've never done a hydro dip before, so we're gonna see exactly how it looks on the car, how long it's gonna last, if it's gonna stand up. But also when I take the cars to show, I can now pop my hood, you know what I mean? Because I never used to pop my hood, so I'm hype about that. Yeah, I want to show y'all this. Look at this, y'all. The actual is really, really good. Both of those. Then that orange/red looks good as well. Yeah, these patterns really nice. Alright, so we just dropped everything off. We got all the colors and everything done, so this should be done. He gave me approximate time of 3 weeks, so 3 weeks we're gonna come back, pick everything up. And then also in the meantime, what I'm gonna be doing, since the car can't move, I'm gonna be installing the lowering springs and the whole aero body kit around the car. But I don't know if I'm gonna be doing that myself. I think I might take it to my body shop and have my body shop put it all on, because I want them to get painted as well. And I'd rather just have it painted and put on all at the same time without worrying about it. So with the aero kit, because the car can't move right now, the aero kit is probably gonna have to wait till all these parts come back. Once these parts come back, it's gonna go to the body shop for them to paint and mount everything up on the car. Once it comes back from the body shop, it's then gonna go to get wrapped in Jersey. So I'm probably not gonna see this car until, I'm probably not gonna see and drive this car again until maybe the beginning of January, mid-January, and the show is January 15th. So we gonna see, but this was day one of dropping all the parts off, and then also picking the colors and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, go downstairs, hit that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at isthatdj, and I'm gonna catch you guys in part 2 of this video, where we're gonna put the body kit on the car. Let's get it.